What up, family? Welcome back to the channel. We're making a pepperoni pizza dip, and here's all the ingredients. It was really fun to have a little guest this time around. It's gonna help me cook the meal, so you guys stay tuned.
Big guy, what's up? They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, okay. And we be putting.
All right, guys, we're back in this. About to start open up this cream cheese and get this party started. Guys, stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're going to get this cream cheese open. I've only went about 2. The recipe said 2. I actually got this recipe from Instagram. And as soon as I find her information, I'll make sure I'll tag her video, give her credit for it. So I got that, bam, that's one. Got another one here. Okay. All right, got one more here. So try to get these things as close to room temperature as possible. So we got two blocks of, I did Philadelphia cheese. For some reason, Great Value is not doing what it's supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? So you get a strong spoon, like mine is not that spoon. All right, guys, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and get your nice strong spoon. Get it all spread around. Spread it down to the edges. And once you get it spread to the edges, we're gonna put down the next step. All right, I got some help, guys. Always to the edge, always to the edge. It's so easy, a kid can do it. A little edge right there. There you go. And get your little cheese, your cream cheese all the way down, make it smooth it out. Go. All the way out. Like, yeah, put something right there. There you go. All right, guys, then we're gonna spread our pizza sauce since we have our cream cheese spread evenly with my helper. Pizza sauce here.
Now spread the pizza sauce.
There you go. Spread it nice and even, right?
Yep.
You got it, buddy. Good job, good job. Awesome. Good job. So spread it evenly.
Very even.
All right, good job. All right, guys, we're gonna add some oregano. We'll season up a little bit around here. A little helpers doing that. All right, that's great. That's great, young man. We're also gonna add some basil. Add that basil on there. There you go. Good job, good job. Just give it a little bit more flavor. Okay, that's good. And then we're gonna spread some garlic. All right, over here. There you go. That's good right there. That's good. All right.
I got like garlic.
So there's basil, garlic, and oregano. Then we gotta put mozzarella. Tell them.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Give it a little bit more. It's a pretty easy recipe, guys. Yeah, give it a bit more mozzarella. Yeah, get a nice handful. There you go. And spread it all around evenly. There you go. That's how you do it. Make sure it all stays in the pan. Oh, he got some style going on there. Look at the style. Do the style again. Let me see the style again. Hey, there you go. There you go. So put some over here and around to the side. There you go. Nice style, nice style. All right, so that's enough of that mozzarella. But yeah, there you go. A little bit more over there. There you go. A little bit more right there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now we got mild cheddar.
Mild
You need to open it? Or do I need to open it? I'll open it for you. Okay. All right, guys. This is a mild.
cheese.
There you go. Tell me again.
Mild cheddar cheese.
Mild cheddar cheese. There you go. Go ahead and style it up, big boy. Well, you put it in your mouth. Hey, this young man's gonna be loving to cook when he get older. You gotta start him young, guys. There you go. Put some nice cheddar cheese in there. So this recipe, guys, is really easy. So far, we did the cream cheese. We seasoned Actually, add the pizza sauce. Then we seasoned it. Then we just added two layers of cheese.
Pizza.
Nice little dip. Dip, dip, dip. Good job, bud. Yeah, you can put some more over here as well, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. You're gonna look crazy. There you go. As long as you keep it in there. There you go. Good job. Good job. So we keep it all layered pretty evenly. We go from there. There you go. So that's good right there. So what we're gonna do next is add we're gonna add pepperoni on half of it. Okay?
Pepperoni on the pizza.
Alright, pepperoni on the pizza. So you choose the side of it depends on it's almost like a pizza. Actually it is like a pizza, so only thing it doesn't have is crust. So this pizza we're gonna put pepperoni on one side and a little basil seasoning on the other side. So half and half. Thanks to our little helper.
Make a line.
There you go. Make your little line there. However you got to do it. Make a little line. There you go. That's a small one. There you go.
Okay.
Almost. Yeah, put your few more on there. Pile them on.
Now on the other side.
Put them on top of each other.
I'll pick it
Yeah.
up.
There you go. Yeah, I like that. There you go. Yeah, you put them on top of each other. But we're going to put a little bit more cheese on it too.
On top of it?
Yeah.
Look way massive.
Yeah, that's good.
That would be way massive.
Yeah, that's good, bud.
Boop.
But of course, you guys get the idea. So put your favorite topping on it. And of course, when you're cooking with kids, you have to make sure that you have the right ingredients for them as well too. So happen that he loves pepperoni and he's okay with that pizza. Little face here. Put a little bit more, like make it more even.
Make a line?
Yeah, should be a little bit more right here. There you go. There you go. Make it half. Want a good half. There you go. There you go. Now you can fill it in. Now I fill all that in. Pepperoni.
Losing pepperoni.
All right, guys. We're gonna serve for some more pepperoni. We'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. We're back. Got the pepperoni down, and we putting basil on the other side. There you go. That's good, right there. And then we're gonna top it again with some more mozzarella, especially on the pepperoni side. There you go. Show them how to do it. Show them how to do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There you go. There you go. There you go. That looks great. Good job, bud. All right. You're looking really good. A little bit more over here, and we're good to go. I'm just put it in the oven. Awesome. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. As he finishes the mozzarella, we can go ahead and get our oven going. I got it at 370. I'm gonna do it for like 10 minutes. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna put this guy in the oven. All right. There we go. Like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Got it on 400. All right, guys. What we're doing here is opening up the butter. I went ahead and softened the butter, put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. Yeah, go ahead and push it on, pull it on out. There you go, and put that in the trash. Go ahead and put some garlic in it, so making garlic butter. There you go. That's good right there, bud. All right, but yeah, go ahead and put some of that on there too. What you got? You got your hand, got basil?
Basil?
Basil, yeah, the other way. There you go. That's good. Oregano. The screw top, yeah, get a screw top. There we go. That's good. So what we're gonna do is take that and get your red spatula right here and stir it softly, slow and softly. Mix it all up, okay? Good job. We make us some garlic butter. He don't like garlic butter, but he loves garlic bread. And this is how you make it.
Our butter's so nasty.
Stir it nice and well. All right, guys, this is just home. He's not a professional. All right, so that's good. That's good. When you're cooking at home with kids, you never know what to expect. So you guys hold on for a second. Got our bread here. I went ahead and cut it open. So what we're gonna do now is take that butter and spread it all over the bread, like you call it in the coloring book. There you go. Shred it nice and even, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna take the bread and put that in the oven and get that going. Yes, we got the bread going and we got the dip going. Almost there. This is how it looks when it first comes out. And we're gonna get the bread and we're gonna dip it here in just a moment. All right, guys, we're back with the bread done. You can add cheese or anything else you want to. Actually, you can make this a piece as well too, but this is the purpose of just bread and butter to make sure we dip it in here. So when this cools off, we're gonna cut it in portion slices and we're gonna dip it in here. So in just a moment.
I got you.
All right. So guys, we're about to take this beautiful piece of garlic bread that we made and we're gonna dip it, baby, dip into the pizza. You got it, buddy? Come closer. Let's get it dip. Dip it inside. Come out. All right, guys, so dip it on the inside. Start bringing it on out. Your bread. Let's taste it.
3, 2, 1.
All right, guys, let's give it a taste.
That was so good. You have to taste that.
Ooh, a treat.
You have to make that.
It's hot too, so gotta be careful.
Yep. You have to cook it at 4 minutes. Wait, 400.
Pretty good. Nice little treat. Take the cream cheese in it. If you're okay with cream cheese, you're good. I would probably just add a little bit more seasoning to it. Maybe a little salt. Or, you know, that's not bad. There you go. Okay, so here we go, guys. Those are pretty good. Nice little snack. Not bad. So if you're a pizza-holic, like we are, you'll love it. All right, guys. Let's get me another one. We're gonna call it a night. Get the pepperoni side. There's my bread. You dip it or however you want to do it. It's fine. I promise. I promise. It's fine. There we go. There we go. This is good. You good, guy? Awesome. All right, good job, bud. All right, guys, that's it. Please like, subscribe, join the family. Thank you. See you next time. Peace.